Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mehdi Hassan Jim. I am the son of Altaf Hussain. I am from Rajshahi. I was born on 17 November 2003 in Rajshahi. I was completed my SSC from Dadpur High School in Science Group with GPA 4.56 under the Rajshahi board in 2020, and I have completed my HSC from Sharadullah Government College Science Group with GPA 4.50 under the Rajshahi board in 2022. Now I am studying in Department of Software Engineering in Daffodil International University. I am passionate about technology, leadership, innovation and continuous learning. My goal is to build a successful career where I can use my technical skill, creativity and teamwork to make a positive impact. Since the beginning of my university life, I have focused not only on my academic studies but also on improving my practical skill, communication abilities and leadership qualities. I have experience working with programming languages such as Java, C, Python and SQL. I also have knowledge to a data analysis, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning and data visualization. Benefit technical skill. I am familiar with design tools like Canva, Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop. I am also skilled in Microsoft Office applications including Word, Excel and PowerPoint. I was enjoy learning new technologies and working on project. Besides technical skill, I am familiar with design tools like Canva, Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop. I am also skilled in Microsoft Office application including Word, Excel and PowerPoint. I always enjoy learning a new technologies and working on projects that help me grow both personality and professionally. Becoming a skilled software engineer is my long-term career goal. Recently, I have been deeply exploring the fields of machine learning and data science. I believe machine learning is critical for our and it allows us to build innovative and constructive solutions. That is exactly why I love machine learning and aspire to be an AI engineer. To continuously accurate technological knowledge and innovate for the future. As long as my studies, I am gaining practical industrial experience. I am currently working with a digital marketing agency named Jacksoft, where I serve as an SEO specialist. This role has helped me understand digital growth strategies and online visibility. In my leisure time, I enjoy watching movies or playing physical games. Traveling is also one of my absolute favorite hobbies. Since my childhood, I have loved exploring technologies like YouTube. As a person, I consider myself a self-learner and a dedicated hard worker. I strongly believe that if you work hard, success will surely follow. I believe my passion for software engineering combined with my dedication makes me a great fit for innovative teach rules. Thank you everyone for watching my video resume. Have a great day.